The Chinese economy has become a spotlight in the world economy, and international institutions are widely upbeat about China's growth prospects. The International Monetary Fund in January projected that China's economy will grow by 5.2% in 2023, 0.8 percentage points higher than its October 2022 forecast. Credit rating agency Fitch Ratings revised its forecast for China's economic growth in 2023 to 5% from 4.1%. Bank of America and Morgan Stanley also raised their forecasts to 5.5% and 5.7% respectively. China's role as a major engine of global growth has not changed. Many observers and institutions have said, expressing their belief that rebounding Chinese economy will achieve high-quality development and inject new momentum into the world economic recovery.
China is working diligently in promoting free market economy and multilateralism. We believe the Chinese quick economic recovery will be a big boost to the future growth of global economy. And we should promote the beneficial cooperation and multilateralism. We should unite it together for our common goal: peace, prosperity, and better lives.
It is worth mentioning that China has become the world's economic engine. Therefore, the world economy is highly dependent on the good Chinese develop. Due to this global economic importance, China will play a fundamental role directing the world economy toward normality.
Foreign investors have been eager to seize the opportunities of China's economic recovery. According to the Ministry of Commerce, the foreign direct investment into the Chinese mainland in actual use expanded 14.5% year-on-year to 127.69 billion yuan in January. In US dollar terms, the FDI inflow went up 10% year-on-year to $19.02 billion.
I think the rebound in 2023 is just, it's powerful. A major population ready to get back to consuming. We're also seeing really quite strong interest in new foreign direct investment in China. We're seeing a surge in financial interest in funds that are focused on China, yuan funds from major equity companies. So I think also this boost of what China is doing will really sort of energize the global economy.